Hey YouTube, so in today's episode we are installing a set of rock sliders that I built for this 4th generation Toyota 4Runner. This thing is a beast. It comes with the 4.7 liter V8, 245 horsepower, and 315 foot-pounds of torque engine. So this is the rock slider set that I built for her. That's the rock slider set. And so to begin this, we have to remove the running board there, and I'll show you how to remove it, and let's get this show on the road. So this is the bolt that holds, this is the bracket that holds the rock slider, the running board here. So it helps if you have a little swivel extension adapter here to screw this off. Comes off pretty easily if you have the right tool. There you go. So now, this is how she looks like. Barren. And that's the running board. So I'm gonna go do the other side. I'm not gonna show you how to do it because it's the same thing. Okay, so this is how this thing looks like removed from the car. Super light. You'll never see anything so light like this before in your life. So this thing's not made for anything else but for you to step on and into the vehicle. So this is how she looks like bare. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure up the bottom, and then we're gonna size it up, and we're gonna mock up the rock sliders and hopefully finish welding her in. This is what I did. I grinded the area that I'm gonna be welding on, and this is what I did. You see those lines right there? They're bolted onto let's see, this bolt right here. That bracket goes to that bolt, and also that bracket there goes into this hole here, right here somewhere. So you have to dismount those bolts, move this brake line, and move it up like that so you could weld without affecting the lines. You do the same thing to the other side here, because those lines are your emergency brake lines. Okay, so you do the same thing here. You see that bracket right there goes to that bolt, and this bracket needs to be removed as well, goes to that bolt. That's so that you can weld without interference. Here it's been all grinded up, so we're gonna start mocking the rock slider onto the 4Runner here. Okay guys, so she is mocked up. I'm gonna be tatting her in. So what I'm looking for here is the rock slider. Does it line up with the rocker panel of the underside of the 4Runner? And I can see here it does line up. I'll show you here. The rock slider comes and it complements the rear tire. Okay, so here, that's how you step on, that's how you use the rock slider to step into the cabin. Here as well. Okay, so I'll show you. It's mocked in, clamped in, and it's ready to be tacked. So I'm going to tack this up, then I'm going to go work on the other side. Once both sides are tacked up, I'm going to burn them in. Yeah. Okay, so she's done on this side. You can see here, she's welded on. here as well. So we're marking on that side over there. And I'll let you see here. This is how the slider looks. Coming down. And here. So this side right here, it's just marked on, it's clamped on. It's not welded on yet. Okay, guys, so this side is done as well. Show you what I did. So this is how I weld it together here as well. And so it's coming along, just to brush that, and she's good. So you'll see this spot right here that looks like a booger weld, but it's not. I filled this up with, there was a hole here, like this hole. This hole right here, so I filled it up so that if water gets into here, it doesn't go in here. So I sealed the hole so that it doesn't go in here. And yeah, she's coming along. Show you how it looks from on top. So this is how it looks on top. Open the door. This is a stepper. So, coming out, fine. So just imagine scraping rocks on this side or underneath. It comes out, it hands it to the wheel. The wheel climbs over the rock. And here as well.
我也搞起包，古堡底个要起着了，是内闹，去摸一绕色家毛闹，古鸟一人，古我也起了，我家起胸骨路线，找起刀，个早开路，天幕早靠对了，个早开路鸟不着线。 街道，姑娘走头，我鼓到波高，鼓波高，路瓦街上，西内闹，就摸一绕色，呀毛闹，姑娘一人，姑我俩起了，我家起上古路线，早知道，个早开路，天幕早靠对了，个早开路鸟不着。 天幕上靠。